Good morning, children. Okay, today we learn mathematics subject. In that, we revise the topic area. Okay, we will see some problems on area in scholarship exam.
Sir, it will come in scholarship exam.
Yes.
Oh.
Can I introduce myself? I am Avinash Gamanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kala. Okay. See here, all of you know and very well learn about area and perimeter. So here, all of you know about perimeter. What is perimeter?
Sir, perimeter works. Sir, 1 minute.
Yes. Perimeter is the sum of length of boundary lines of given figure. Okay. And see here, the area is given. Area is, what is the area? See here area is given. So area is the shape, space inside the shape. Okay. See here,
Sir, what's
area.
the lesson name?
Yes.
What's the lesson name?
Area.
Oh.
We will see how to find out the area of square and rectangle. Okay. See here, area definition is given. The area of the figure is the number of square units that cover the surface of the closed figure. Okay, see here, this is figure. Pink one is figure. So the area of this figure is the number of square inside this figure. Okay, so see here, the area of this figure is 45 square units. The total number of square is 45. So the area of this figure is 45 square units. Again, the area of a figure is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. So easily we will draw squares to find out the area. Now, some problems for you. Find the area of following rectangles or figures. Can you find out? What we have to do to find out the area? Easily, we have to count the square inside the figure. So count the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is the area of first figure?
20.
20 square centimeter. Okay, very good. This is 20. And now find the area of second figure. Yes, it is
Oh,
very easy.
uh,
Yes.
sir,
How many?
12.
12. Okay, the number of square is 12. So the area of this figure is 12. You know, find the area of figure 3.
So 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sir, 18.
18. Okay. See the number of squares. Here 6 and here is 3. So to get area easily, we will multiply the length by breadth. So if we do 6 into 3, then we will get area, that is 18. This is the total number of squares. Now to the figure 4.
Yes, sir. Oh, 1, 2,
This
3.
is 7 and this is 4. So what is the area? By counting squares, we will also get area. Or the easiest one is multiply length by breadth. So here 7 into 4 is
7
yes,
into
28. Okay, we will, if we count the squares, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 28 is right answer. So the area of this figure is 28 square centimeter. Now here, how to find out the area of square? Okay. So all of you know very well that square has all the sides are equal or of same length. So the area of a square is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. Okay. And it can be also found by multiplying its side length by its side length because all the sides are equal. Now multiplying a number by itself is also called as squaring it. So the formula for area of square is, see here, formula is given s into s, mean side multiply by side. So here the side of a square is 4 centimeters. So what is the area? Yes. If the side of a square is 4 centimeter, then what is the area?
Sir, 8 and 4 for the 16, sir.
16. Okay. If the side of a square is 2 centimeter, then what is the area? Easily we multiply side by side, side into side.
4 centimeter.
2 into 2 is 4. Very good. 4 not only centimeter, that is square centimeter. Okay. We have to read centimeter square or square centimeter. Now here, area of a rectangle. The area of rectangle can be found by finding how many square unit it takes to cover its surface, or it can be also found by multiplying its length by its breadth. See here, this is length and this is breadth. So if the length is 4 and breadth is 2, so what is the area? See here, the formula is given, area is equal to L into B. L stands for length and B stands for breadth. So by multiplying length by breadth, we will get area. So 4 into 2 is, yes, 4 into 2 is, 4 multiplied by 2 is, if we multiply 4 by 2, then we will get 8 square centimeter. Find the area and perimeter of the following squares and rectangles. Okay. First of all, we will find the perimeters. Okay. Perimeter is very easy. See here, the length of a rectangle is 10 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 3 centimeters. So what is the perimeter? Yes, student, can you tell me?
Sir, 30 centimeter.
30. See here, the opposite sides of in rectangle is equal or same. So this is 10, this is also 10. So 10 plus 10, 20, and 3 plus 3, 6. So 20 plus 6 is
26.
26. We have to find out first of all perimeter. Okay. Then area is very correct. That is 10 into 3, 30, 30,
Centimeter.
30 square centimeter. Okay. 30 square centimeter.
Centimeter.
Now, second one is, see, the only one side is given, that is 5 centimeters. So it must be square because see, the mark is given, that is all sides are equal. This is the sign for equal sides. Okay, so here the side,
Sir,
one side is given.
sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
So now we have to only identify area.
First of all, we have to find out perimeter, then area.
Okay.
Okay, see, so here the perimeter is, we have to count all the sides or some of the all the sides is, one side is given, that is 5 centimeters. So the perimeter is 5 into 4. So we will get perimeter is 20 centimeter and area is Multiplying it side by side, we get area. So 5 into 5 is, yes,
20 centimeter.
25 square
25.
centimeter. And see, the third one is also square. One side is given, that is 12 centimeters. So the area is, we will multiply side by side. So here the perimeter is easily, to find out perimeter, we have to multiply it by 4 because all four sides are equal. So this is 48 centimeter, and area is, to find out area, we have to multiply side by side. So 12 into 12 is 144, 144 square centimeter. Okay. Here we have to also find out area. The one side is given 6 centimeter, that is length of rectangle, and second one is 2 centimeters. So perimeter is, perimeter of rectangle is 12 plus 2b. So 12 plus 4 is, 12 plus 4 is 16 centimeter, and area is, the area of the formula for area of rectangle is L into B. So if we multiply 6 by 2, then we will get
18 centimeter.
6 into 2 is
12
18 or
centimeter. 12
12.
centimeter, sir.
12 square centimeter. Okay, good. Now here, this is square, and one side is given, that is 11 centimeter. So tell me perimeter and area. Yes. Perimeter of square is 4 into length of side. So here the length of side is 11. So
Then we will add, na?
yes, in perimeter we have to add, and in area we have to multiply side by side. So 11 into 11 is,
22.
11 multiplied by 11. So we will get, not, we here do not, we have to multiply, not add. So 11 into 11 is 121 square centimeter. Now this one, the length is given, that is 9 centimeter, and breadth is 3 centimeter. So perimeter is 2L plus 2B, that is 9 into 2 plus 3 into 2.
Sir, it is
18
3
plus 6.
centimeter, not 2.
Not, I am telling the formula of
Oh.
perimeter, that is 2L plus 2B.
Sir, 3 9 are 27.
3 nines are, that is the area. Very good. Here also, the perimeter of first triangle, first square is, see here, the side is given, that is 4 mm, 4 millimeter. By adding all four sides, we will get perimeter. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 16 mm. And area of this square is,
Sir, area of the square will be
4
Sir,
into
it will
4,
be 4 multiplied by 4.
4 multiplied by 4, then we will get
16 centimeter.
16 square millimeter. You see here, the length is given 2 meter, and breadth is, sorry, length is 5 meter and breadth is 2 meters. So what is the perimeter and area? 2L plus 2B, that is 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 meter is perimeter, and then area is length
Sir,
into
2 by
breadth,
10.
10 square meter. Now the last one, that is, the side of a square is given 10 centimeters. So what is perimeter? See here, to find out the perimeter of square, easily we have to multiply it side by 4. So we will get 14 centimeter. And to find out area, we have to multiply side by side. So 10 into 10 is 100 square centimeter. So this is the area of this figure. Now we will see some examples. Okay. What is the area of given figure?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, it is 8 square centimeter.
Yes, very good. Easily you have to calculate or count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. See here, illustration is given. For finding a area of given figure, we will count number of squares of side 1 centimeter. So 8 square centimeter is very correct. Now question number 2. The length and breadth of rectangle is 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Then what is the area of rectangle?
108 square centimeter.
Yes, 108
108 square centimeter.
centimeter. So area is equal to L into B. That is 12 into 9. 12 into 9 is 108 square centimeter. Very good. This is correct answer. See, 108 is very correct. Now, the question number 3rd. What will be the area of square having side 7 centimeter? Now, tell me the answer.
So 14 square centimeter.
14. To find out the here S, that is length of side, is given that 7 centimeters. So area of a square is S into S. 7 into 7 is 7 multiplied by 7 is
49.
yes. What is the answer?
49 square point centimeter.
Square centimeter. We don't have to add. We have to do multiplication. So third one is correct option. Good. Here, question number 4. Find the area of a figure formed by joining two squares of side 5 centimeter. So here, okay, this is one square that is having side 5 centimeter, and we also join another
So
square.
its answer will be 25 square point centimeter.
See here, we have to join two squares. Okay, the area of one square is 25, but we have to find out the area of a figure formed by joining two squares. So we have to add areas of both two squares. So see here, breadth is 5, and by joining this side we will get length is, that is 10. So it form a rectangle. Okay, and
Yes.
rectangle having length is 10 and breadth is 5. So what is the area of this figure?
2.
Yes, 50 square centimeter, because area is equal to L into B. So we will get 5 into 10, that is 50 square centimeter. Or there is other method also. See here, find the area of figure formed by joining two squares of side 5 centimeter. So if area of one square is 25, then other is also 25. By adding these two areas, we will get area of that figure, that is 50 square centimeter. Second one is right answer. Here given, we form figure like this, that is rectangle. So length into breadth 10 into 5 is 50. Now, what is the area of given figure?
Sir,
This is square or rectangle?
sir, it is a square.
Square. So what is the area of square? Area of square is
Uh,
S into S, side by side. So S is here given, that is 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is?
what? For the 16 square point centimeter count.
Read it square centimeter only. Yes, this is square centimeter.
Sir,
Good.
it is 16.
Yes, 16 square centimeter. Good. Now, question number 6. The length and breadth of a rectangular land is 75 meter and 35 meter. Then find out the area of that land. We have land that is in rectangular shape. The length is given 75 meter and breadth is given that is 35 meter. Then we have to find out area. Area is equal to length into breadth. So what is area? Do multiplication 75 multiplied by 35. Do the multiplication. 5 5 are
Sir, 1 minute,
25.
sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
I have to solve 1
5
minute, sir.
7 are 35 plus 2, that is 39, plus 15. Yes. 21 plus 1, 2, 5. Yes, what is the answer?
No.
75 multiplied by
20.
5 5 are 25. So here 2. 7 5 are 35 plus 2, 37.
37.
3 5 are 15. 1 is here. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. Now do the addition. 5, 2, 6, 2. So which one is the correct option? First one, that is 2625 square centimeter. This is the area of that rectangular part. Yes, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
See it, 2625 centimeter is very right. Now, how much labor charge will be paid a wall of length 5 meter and breadth 3 meter at the rate of 30 per meter? So see here, the dimensions of wall is given, that is length is 5 meter and breadth is 3 meters. So it will be rectangular wall. So what is the area of that? Yes. Yes. Area is
5 3s are 15.
15 square meter. See, and the rate given is that is 30 per meter, rupees 30 per meter. So the rate for 15 meter is we have to multiply 15 by 30 to get the answer. Okay, this is 0. Yes. 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3. Plus,
Sir, 6. Sir, it will be 5.
yes.
Sir,
15. 5 3s are 15 multiplied by. Yes. 15 multiplied by. Sorry, this is not. See, the question will be changed. This is 2 meter, okay? Not 3 meter. 3 meter is incorrect. The length is 5 meter and breadth is 2 meter at the rate of 30 per meter. So area is 5 into 2, that is
10.
10 square meters. So the rate is 30 per meter. So to find out the cost of that wall, that is 10 multiplied by 30. So we will get, yes, what is the answer? 10 into 30 is,
Sir, what?
yes, 300.
300.
The third one is correct. See here, the question is length 5 meter and breadth is 2 meter. Now question number 8, the area of rectangle is
150 square meter.
centimeter and the length is 15 centimeter. Then find the breadth of rectangle. So here the area is already given, that is 150.
Sir, 1 minute, I'm
Square.
solving it.
Yes. And then length given also 15 centimeters. So how to find out the breadth? See here, formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. So to find out breadth, we should area divided by length. Okay. To find out breadth, see here the L comes this side, then A divided by L. So here breadth is equal to area divided by length. So area is given here, that is 150 and length is 15. Then what is the answer? If we divide 115 50 by 15, then we will get 15 150. So 15 ones are 15. 0 comes here. This is 0 0 and 0 is remaining, so we will. So what is the answer? The breadth is, see here, breadth is 10 centimeter. Which option is correct? The first one is correct, that is breadth of a rectangle is 10 centimeter. See, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So breadth is equal to area of rectangle divided by length of rectangle. So we will get 150 divided by 15, that is 10 centimeter. Now question number 9. How much will be the sum of area of a square of side 4 centimeter and rectangle of length 6 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter? See, here we have to find out the sum of area of two figures. The first one is square. This is square having side 4 centimeter, and there is another one is rectangle, that is length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So find out the area of these two figures and then add them. So area of a square is, yes, area of a square is side into side, that is 4 into 4. This is 16. And now area of rectangle is L into B, that is 6 multiplied by 3. We will get 18. So 16 plus 18 is, yes, yes students, 16 plus 18 is, yes, it is 34. 34. The third one is correct option. Very good. See here, area of a square is length into side, to length into length of a side. So 4 into 4 is 16 square centimeters. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So by adding these two, we will get the sum of square area of square and rectangle. Now here question number 10. Find the cost of a square land with 15 meter side if the cost of 1 square meter land is 800. So there is a square land having side 15 meter. Okay. So what is the area of that square land? See, a side is given, that is 15 meter. So what is the area of that square land? area is side multiplied by side, and side is 15 meters. So 15 multiplied by 15. Do the multiplication and tell me the answer. 15 multiplied. 15 multiplied by 15, we will get. Yes, that is 225 square meter. So see here, area is 200 and area here is 225 square meter. And the
Sir, is it the right answer?
yes, 225 is very right. And then
Sir, but in this three column there are this option is not there.
okay, then the question is remaining that the cost of 1 square meter land is 800. So we have to find out cost of this square land. Okay, so see this is the area only. We have to find out the cost. Okay, see area is 225 and the cost of one square meter land is 800. So to find out the answer, we will multiply 225 by 800. Okay. Now do the multiplication. 225 multiplied by 800. 0, 0. We will write as it is. So 8 multiplied by 5. 8 5s are
5 is the 40.
40. So this is 0. We will write 4 here. 8 2s are
8 2s are 2 8 the 16.
16 plus 4,
16 plus 4.
20.
20.
We will write 2 here. 8 2s are
16.
16 plus
18,
2,
18,
18. So this is the cost of that square land. See here, what is cost here?
18 lakh.
18 lakh or 1 lakh 80,000.
1 lakh 80,000.
So which option is right? The fourth one is correct. Okay. See here, the fourth option is 1 lakh 80,000.
Yes, sir.
See here, that is area of square land is length of a side multiplied by length of a side. That is 15 into 15. So we will get 225 square meter. That is area. And cost of a 1 square meter land is 800. So cost of 225 square meter land is 225 multiplied by 800. By doing this multiplication, we will get 1 lakh 80,000. So the fourth one is correct option. Now question number 11. What will be the areas of a square if its perimeter is 100 meter? See here, the perimeter of square is given. P is given, that is 100 meters. So we know the formula for perimeter of square is area is 4 into side. Yes, because all the sides are equal. So this is the formula for area of a, perimeter of a square. So here perimeter is given. So side is equal to perimeter by 4. That is 100 divided by 4. So if we divide 100 by 4, then we will get side is equal to 25 meters. So side of a square is 25 meters. So area is equal to what? Area is equal to S into S, and S is here 25. So 25 multiplied by 25. Okay,
Sir,
tell me
1
the
minute.
answer. Okay.
Is it 25, 5 to the 10, 11, 5. 0, 2 by the 10, 2 to the 5.
25 multiplied by 25 is, do the multiplication.
Sir, 625 square meter.
625 square meters. So which option is right? Which one is the correct option? Yes, fourth one is correct option. Very good.
Thank you.
See, a illustration is given. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So the side is perimeter upon 4. That is 100 upon 4. So the side of a square is 25 meter. Now we will find area of a square with side 25 meter. So area of a square is length of a side multiplied by length of a side. So 25 multiplied by 25. We will get 625 square meter. So the fourth one is correct option. Now this is question number 12. What is the length of a side of square if its area is 144 square meter?
144 meter.
So see here, the area is given and we have to find out. We have to find out the side. Now tell me which one is the correct option and how to find out the side of a square. We know that area of a square is, yes, tell me the formula. Area of a square is side multiplied by.
Side only. Side.
So now see, we have 4 options. Now 4 options are here: 14 meter, 10 meter, 144 meter and 12 meter. The number multiplying itself, if we get 144, then that option is right. So we will check the first one. If we multiply 14 by 14, then we will get,
So 1 minute.
see, 4 fours are 16. So last number is 4. So it is incorrect. Okay. So this is not right. Now second one, we will try second one, 10 multiplied by 10. So this is 100. This is also incorrect. Now if we multiply 144 by 144, then we will get much more answer. That is incorrect. Now we will check the last one. If we multiply 12 by 12. Now do this multiplication.
Yes, sir.
12 twos are 24. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. So this, see here, if we multiply 12 by 12, then we will get 144. So which option is very correct?
Sir, option 3 is correct.
Good. Third one is correct. So the side of a square is 12 meter. Good. See here, area of a square is side multiplied by side. So area of a square is 144. So find a number which multiply itself, we will get 144. Then 12 multiplied by 12, we will get 144. So the side of a square is 12 meter. Now some problems for you, you have to solve it. Question number 1, the length and breadth of a rectangle is given, that is 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Then find out the area. You have to solve it, this problem for you. Tell me the area of this rectangle. Your L given is 15 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. Then find out the area. Area of rectangle is, yes.
So we have to do 15 multiplied by 8 centimeter.
Okay, now do the multiplication.
So 1 minute.
15 multiplied by 8.
8 1 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 120 square centimeter, and the option is 1.
Okay, very good. The 120 square centimeter. Very good. Now read the question number 2. Read this one.
10 centimeter.
Okay,
So
what
we
is the area of a square having side 10 centimeter? So
So
here,
I like 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter.
okay, now do the multiplication.
Sir,
Here,
the answer
S
is
given is 10 centimeter. Then area of a square is side multiplied by side. So here side is 10. So 10 multiplied by 10. So if we multiply 10 by 10, then we will
it is
get
100 square centimeter.
100 square centimeters. So which option is correct?
Option 4 is correct, sir.
Very good. Now read the question number 3.
The area of a square is 20. The area of a square is 225 square point centimeter. Then what is the length of its side?
Okay, so here, see, the area is given, that is 225 square centimeters. So find out the side of a square. We know that the area of a square is S multiplied by S, that is side multiplied by side. So which number, if we multiply itself, then we will get 225. We know that 12 multiplied by 12, that is 144. Okay. See, if we see the last number, okay, see here 12 multiplied by 12, we will get last digit is 4, because 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. If we multiply 16 by 16,
So 1
then
minute.
last number is 6. So this is incorrect. This one is also incorrect. Now if we multiply 14 by 14, we will get last digit is 6. So this is also incorrect. If we directly tick on the last option, then it is very correct, but we will verify it if we multiply 15 by 15. So 5 5s are 25,
25.
5 1s are
5.
plus 2,
7.
7. And now 15 ones are 15. Okay, check this one. 5, this is 2, this is 2.
Sir, 225.
Okay, so which option is correct? The fourth one is right option. Good. Now read the question number 4.
The perimeter of a square is 120 meter. Then what is its area?
Okay, see here the perimeter is given. So how to find out the area?
So 1
This
minute.
This is square, and the perimeter of this square is 120. Okay, so perimeter of a square is P is equal to 4 multiplied by side. So side of a square is 120 divided by 4. Now do the division.
20.
20 or 30.
No, sir. It's 30.
Okay, this is the length of a side of square, that is S is equal to 30. So S is equal to 30. So what is the area of that square? Area of a square is S multiplied by S. So if we multiply 30 by 30, then what is the answer? Yes. Do the multiplication. 30 multiplied by 30.
Sir, 30. It is 0. Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
0 multiplied 0. 0, 0. 0, 3, 0, 0. 3, 0, 0. 3, 0. So the answer is 600 square meter.
600. Okay, we will check. Yes, I am mark this one, but we will check. 30 multiplied by 30. So we will write 0 as it is. Okay. 300. 3 9s are, guys, sorry, 3 3s are 900. So which option is correct?
Yes, sir.
Which option is correct? 600 square meter or 900 square meter?
So I got 600.
See, if we multiply 3 by 3, then what will we get? 3 3s are 9 or 6?
3 3s are 9.
So which option is correct? 900 square meter or 600 square meter?
900 square meter.
Okay, good. So first one is correct. Good. Okay, now this for your homework. Very easy questions. Take a screenshot.
Sir, you're teaching so well.
Okay. Thank you all of you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.
Bye, sir.
Okay, have a good day. Bye.